Do you want to increase your garden's yield? Are you interested in creating a more beautiful and productive garden? A well-kept garden isn't just a feast for the eyes, it's a gift to the senses. It can lift your mood, provide a bounty of fresh produce, and even improve your property's value. And the secret to a thriving garden? Just 10 simple techniques. So whether you're a seasoned gardener or just getting your hands dirty for the first time, stay tuned as we delve into these beneficial gardening techniques. First and foremost, understand your soil. It's the foundation of your garden, the bedrock of your blooms, the essence of your ecosystem. Soil is not just dirt, it's a living, breathing entity that requires your attention and understanding. Testing your soil is akin to a health checkup. It reveals the pH levels, nutrient content, and organic matter present. These factors significantly impact your plant's growth and productivity. There are different soil types, each with unique properties. Sandy soil drains quickly, while clay soil retains more water. Loamy soil, a gardener's dream, offers the best of both worlds. But here's the good news. No matter your soil type, amendments can improve its texture and nutrient content. Adding compost, manure, or other organic matter can transform lackluster land into fertile ground. Soil is a silent partner in your gardening journey. Treat it with respect, and it will reward you with lush, vibrant plant life. Remember, a healthy garden starts with healthy soil. Next up, remember the principle of right plant, right place. This is a fundamental rule in gardening that can make or break your harvest. The idea here is simple, yet often overlooked. Different plants thrive in different conditions. Consider sunlight, for instance. Some plants, like tomatoes and roses, love basking in full sun, while others, like ferns and hostas, prefer the cool comfort of shade. Likewise, soil type also plays a crucial role. Succulents and cacti flourish in sandy soil, but that would be a nightmare for moisture-loving plants like azaleas or hydrangeas. And let's not forget about climate. Certain plants are hardy, able to shrug off frost, while others are tropical, wilting at the first sign of cold. Remember, nature doesn't force square pegs into round holes, so don't force your plants into unsuitable environments. Choosing the right plant for the right place will save you a lot of effort and increase your yields. Thirdly, water wisely. The art of watering is a delicate dance, a balance between too much and too little. Water is the lifeblood of your garden, but it's not just about turning on a hose and letting it run. The right watering techniques can make all the difference. You see, plants are like us, they have their preferred times of day to drink. Watering in the early morning or late evening, when temperatures are cooler, prevents evaporation and ensures your plants get the hydration they need. However, be cautious, as overwatering and underwatering both pose risks. Overwatering can lead to root rot and disease, while underwatering can leave your plants parched and struggling. The key is to understand your plant's needs, tailoring your watering schedule to their specific requirements. So don't just water, water wisely. Remember, the health of your garden depends on it. Watering wisely goes a long way in ensuring a healthy, productive garden. Next, don't forget about pruning and thinning. This technique is a game changer for your garden's productivity. Let's delve into why it's so crucial. Pruning involves removing specific parts of a plant or tree, such as branches, buds, or roots. It helps to curb overgrowth, shape the plant, and encourage better yield. Thinning, on the other hand, involves removing some plants entirely to create room for others to grow. Now you might wonder, why remove perfectly healthy plants? Well, when plants are too close together, they compete for sunlight, water, and nutrients. Thinning helps to alleviate this competition, allowing the remaining plants to thrive. It also improves air circulation, reducing the risk of plant diseases. Moreover, pruning and thinning allow more sunlight to reach the plants, which is essential for photosynthesis. So, by incorporating these methods into your gardening routine, you're essentially giving your plants the best conditions to flourish. Pruning and thinning is an essential part of maintaining a healthy, productive garden. Another key technique is using mulch. Mulch is a gardener's secret weapon, offering a trifecta of benefits. First off, it's a superstar at retaining moisture. By acting as a protective shield, mulch reduces evaporation, ensuring your plants remain well hydrated even on the hottest summer days. Then, there's the matter of weed control. Mulch acts as a barrier, preventing weed seeds from reaching the soil and germinating. It's like having a garden bodyguard, keeping those pesky intruders at bay. Lastly, mulch contributes to soil health. As it breaks down, it releases essential nutrients into the soil. This organic matter improves soil structure, encouraging beneficial microbial activity, and promoting a more fertile growing environment for your plants. So next time you're in the garden, remember to spread a layer of mulch around your plants. It's a simple step that can make a world of difference. Mulching can significantly boost your garden's productivity. Now let's talk composting. Composting is the process of transforming organic waste into nutrient-rich soil. It mimics nature's recycling plan, turning what might have been waste into valuable soil amendment. Composting can significantly improve your garden's soil health and productivity. It enriches the soil, helping to retain moisture and suppress plant diseases and pests. It also encourages the production of beneficial bacteria and fungi that break down organic matter to create humus, a rich, nutrient-filled material. Starting a compost pile is quite simple. You'll need a mix of green and brown materials. Green materials provide nitrogen and include items like vegetable scraps, coffee grounds, and fresh grass clippings. Brown materials provide carbon and include things like dry leaves, straw, and wood chips. To start your compost pile, layer your green and brown materials, keep it moist, and turn it every few weeks. Remember, the key to a healthy compost pile is a balanced diet of green and brown materials. Composting is a natural, cost-effective way to enrich your garden and increase yields. Another technique to consider is crop rotation. This centuries-old agricultural practice is just as relevant in today's gardens. In essence, crop rotation involves changing the type of crops grown in a particular area over different seasons. Why is this useful, you ask? Well, it's a brilliant way to prevent soil depletion. Different crops have varying nutrient requirements. By rotating them, you ensure the soil isn't drained of one specific nutrient. But there's more to crop rotation than just preserving soil fertility. It also aids in pest and disease control. Many pests and diseases are crop-specific, so if you keep changing the crops, you break the life cycle of these pesky invaders, reducing their impact. Think of it as giving your garden a fresh start every season, keeping the soil healthy, and outsmarting pests and diseases. It's like playing chess with Mother Nature, and with crop rotation, you're always one step ahead. Crop rotation can significantly improve your garden's health and productivity. Now, onto companion planting. This is a fantastic gardening technique where different plants are grown together for mutual benefit. Think of it as a buddy system for your plants. You see, some plants naturally complement each other. They may help one another grow, repel pests, or improve the quality of the soil. For instance, planting basil with tomatoes can enhance growth and flavor, while marigolds are known to deter nematodes and other garden pests. Companion planting is not only about pest control, it also helps in maximizing the use of garden space. Tall plants, for example, can provide shade for shorter shade-loving plants. It's important to remember, though, that not all plants make good companions. Some combinations can hinder growth or even make each other more susceptible to pests and diseases. So do your research before planting your buddies together. Companion planting is a natural way to boost your garden's yield. Lastly, don't neglect regular maintenance. This might seem like a chore, but think of it as the rhythm of your garden, a dance with nature that keeps everything in harmony. Regular maintenance includes a few essential tasks, which, when performed consistently, can transform your garden into a productive paradise. Weeding, for instance, is crucial. Weeds can be sly invaders, stealing nutrients and sunlight from your plants. By pulling them out regularly, you give your plants the room they need to thrive. Next, there's deadheading, or removing spent blooms. This encourages plants to focus their energy on new growth rather than seed production, leading to more flowers and a longer blooming season. And let's not forget about pest control. Regularly inspecting your plants for signs of insects or disease can prevent small problems from becoming big ones. Remember, a well-maintained garden is a happy garden. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your garden healthy and productive. To wrap up, remember the importance of these techniques. Understanding your soil is the foundation, then ensuring the right plant finds the right place. Water wisely, prune, and thin as needed. Don't forget the benefits of mulch and the magic of composting. Rotate your crops for soil health and consider companion planting for natural pest control. Finally, regular maintenance keeps everything in check. Apply these techniques and watch your garden flourish. Happy gardening.